In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can download and install Proton VPN. So to get started, just hit the link in the description of this video. It will take you to protonvpn.com. Here, just select Get Proton VPN Now. Scroll down and look for the option that says Get Proton Free. Then select Continue with Free. If you want the paid version, you can go ahead and get that version, right? Now here, you're just going to sign up to download the app. Provide your email address and then select Start using Proton VPN. So give it a minute or two, right? And you can set your own password or continue with the one they gave you. So here I'm going to select continue with this password. And then here you have the option to download Proton VPN. So under downloads, select the client that is best suited for you. So I'm using a Windows laptop, so I'm going to be downloading the Windows client. So I'm just going to select download for Windows here. And I'll be going with the latest Windows 11 or Windows 10 64-bit version. Opens the installation file, choose your language, select next, select install. And then here you need to sign in with the username and password that you created the account with. Select sign in. Now it's taking its time to connect to the internet for the very first time. So I'm going to skip the tour. Now in order to connect to the VPN, you select quick connect. And here it's assigning a US IP to me. So the beauty about Proton VPN is that it allows you one free IP, right? You don't have to pay for anything and you can use this unlimited. So that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.